Hello friends, let us go on to our November 2018 RTP. See my friends, I have already covered this RTP in my classes and you already have these videos, but I thought about sharing these videos with public at large so that everyone can be benefited out of these videos. My motive of speaking in English is to give benefit to maximum possible students and not just few couple of students who are more comfortable in Hindi language than in English language. Moreover, majority of the students appear in examination and they are supposed to take the examination in English language, so I would prefer to go ahead with English language. My friends, if you go through this screen, you will find that with regards to each question, I have mentioned clearly specified that this is particular. For example, if I talk about question number 1 of November 2018 new course RTP, you will say that it is same as CS means case study 19 on page 13.78 of January 19 study material. So if you want to go through, means if you want to link them up, you can easily link them up that okay fine, we have studied this question in study material or we have studied this question in particular RTP and the same question is available in study material or RTP and or vice versa. So you can go through that, and then at later stage after going through the question, you are suggested to first of all try the question on your own. If you are not very much comfortable in solving the question on your own, and interpreting the question on your own, you can definitely refer this video solution that is available at this link. I will surely put this particular description, means this whole in description, so that you can easily go through these links and you shall not face any problem. But my suggestion will be that before going through any of these videos, I humbly request you to please try these questions on your own. Unless you will try, see these questions are basically of study material, nothing else. So unless you will try these questions on your own, you will never gain confidence. Remember, if you really want to score well, you need to have confidence. And to have confidence, you need to try the questions on your own. It's not like that that you will sit and just go through the concepts, nothing else. You will not try any question on your own, and then you will expect that you will definitely score good marks in examination. I doubt you will. So my personal suggestion will be that you shall refer study material of ICAI, you shall refer RTP of ICAI, and not only these two, rather you shall also go ahead with mock examination papers. You shall take those tests so that you can evaluate the aspects, the areas in which you need to work upon, so that you can score superb in examination. With this note, I would request you again to kindly go through the description to understand which question is available at what link. At certain links, for example, I believe question 8, if I talk about, I have covered this, not question 8, question 5. I have covered particularly this question at a very great length, very great length, and before this question and after this question, I have even explained several concepts on EVA and certain other concepts in very detailed manner. That's why rather than just cutting from there and editing and pasting here, I preferred to do what? I preferred to provide you complete links of complete videos. With this, I hope and wish best of luck for you. May God bless you. Bye bye.